Good morning, everyone. I am Paula Denise Abelia.
I'm Allaina Elise De Leon, and we are from Grade 5 Genesis. In this report, we will dig into the captivating world of human reproduction, exploring the complex processes and organs that work together to create life. From the anatomy of the male and female reproductive systems to the details of fertilization and fetal development, we will cover it all.
Our goal is to provide a clear and informative overview of this essential bodily system, highlighting the remarkable way in which our bodies are designed to create and nurture new life. So, let's get started. The reproductive system allows the reproduction of humans. It produces sex cells, which are the sperm cells and egg cells, and supports the development of a fetus during pregnancy. The two testicles, also known as testes, produce sperm cells that are essential for fertilization, and it also produces the hormone testosterone, responsible for male characteristic and sperm maturation. Scrotum is the external sac-like structure that protects and houses the testes, which also regulates the temperature around the testes for suitable sperm production. Epididymis is a coiled tube on the back of each testis. It's the site where sperm mature and are stored. The sperm cells go out from the testes and pass through the tubes of epididymis to the vas deferens, also known as the sperm duct. Its function is to transport sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. Urethra is a tube that runs through the penis. Its dual-purpose duct transporting both semen during ejaculation and urine during urination. The penis is a long shaft of the male organ where the urethra is enclosed with smooth muscle and blood vessels. The main part of the penis is called shaft, and the tip part, which has a small opening, is called glans penis. The glans penis is where the semen stored in the seminal vesicle and the urine from the urinary bladder exits the body. The male sexual glands, such as the prostate gland found below the bladder in front of the rectum, and Kupfer's glands or bulbourethral glands found near the base of the penis. They both add fluids to the semen to protect it during ejaculation.
The two almond-shaped organs that produce egg cells are the ovaries. The female hormones such as estrogen and progesterone are also produced in the ovaries. These hormones are responsible for the female secondary characteristics. The egg cells begin to mature at the onset of puberty, which is called the menarche. Fallopian tubes. These are narrow tubes connected to the upper part of the uterus. This is where the fertilization of the egg by a sperm occurs. The fertilized egg then moves down to the uterus. During reproduction, the egg cell will meet the sperm cell along the fallopian tube. As the sperm cell unites with and fertilizes the egg cell, a zygote is formed. The zygote divides and continues to do as it travels to and attaches itself to the lining of the uterus. Uterus is a hollow pear-shaped muscular organ where the development of the fetus takes place during pregnancy. Cervix, a lower portion of the uterus that opens into the vagina, allowing the baby to pass through. Vagina is a muscular canal that extends from the cervix to the exterior genitals. It also serves as the passageway through which menstrual blood exits the body and babies are born. In the 9th month, the baby will be ready to be delivered and will pass through the cervix. The cervix opens and allows the baby to pass through. The baby moves down the birth canal and to the vagina.
The menstrual cycle. If an egg is not fertilized, menstruation happens. The menstrual period starts at the onset of puberty or menarche. Egg maturing. The menstrual cycle is the first day of a period. The uterus starts to shed its lining. As soon as the period ends, the uterus prepares again to receive a fertilized egg. The uterine lining is thin and the egg in the ovary matures. Ovulation. The mature egg is released from the ovary and travels down the fallopian tube. It takes a few days to complete the journey. Meanwhile, a lining of the uterus gradually gets thicker so it can support the development of the fertilized egg. Ovulation. Ready for fertilization. If the egg is fertilized, it will implant in the uterus and the woman is pregnant. If the egg is not fertilized, the woman is not pregnant and the egg will begin to dissolve. The uterine lining breaks down and menstruation occurs and the cycle begins again.
Several studies have shown that reproductive diseases or infections are often caused by poor hygiene or unsafe practices among adolescents. Protecting the reproductive organs is crucial to prevent diseases and maintain overall health. During menstruation, girls must change sanitary pads or napkins every 4 to 6 hours, or whenever the pad gets too soaked. Boys must wear protective clothing or gear when participating in sports or physical activities. Always wear clean and comfortable underwear and clothes. Change into clean and dry clothes when you perspire. Take a bath every day. Girls should practice washing with feminine wash and water. Always wipe from front to back after urinating and defecating. Eat a balanced diet and take sufficient vitamins and minerals. And that's the end of our report. We hope you learned something new about the reproductive system.
Thank you for listening. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being.